Jamaica, watch this.
Watch his style. Me have 3 boy a yard, 2 gal a foreign. Seen? For the 3 boy a yard, 2 of them want kickers. And the next one want a Air Force. For the 3 boy them a yard, 2 of them want polo bag. And one just want a regular bag with football with the Air Force spanny. You know, me get to find out, I see them 2 ya. I feel me them. I see that one they done there so, I feel ma. Cause you see them 2 ya, I pour and boast to them. Cause they done so. And they want to look the best. And they not nothing in their head. You understand? You see this a man done so. This a man done so. This a man to remember if I slippers in wear go to school sometime or a shoes, to him not care. He just want to make sure he say go. And I pay first that man come. But long story short, just if you know, I not say enough come first, second, or third, or fourth, or fifth. But guess what? Make sure you're in the top 10. Because water boat on our wear. And for the Easter. I'm out. I'm done talk.